What's up? Welcome back. My name is Caela. My sign name is Caela. Today we're going to be talking about something I've already talked about before, but I feel like the need is there to keep talking about this and having this discussion. Stop assuming people are deaf or are not deaf if they can talk. I get a lot of people saying only deaf people, like it's a common thing that deaf people only want other deaf people to teach sign language, not hearing people. And yes, that it is true, but who said I wasn't deaf? Like, you're making an assumption based off my voice that I'm not deaf, and that's just wrong because deaf people can talk. Like, they don't have to have a deaf accent to be deaf. You can be deaf whenever in life, and so they might have had speech therapy